Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make Opera GX download faster. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, on the search bar you just need to write Chrome double dot here / flags, and then hit enter. And then on search flags you just need to write parallel, and then you should see parallel downloading, and on default it should be default, and then you just need to press enable and relaunch the Opera, right? And once you do that, what you need to do here next, you need to make sure that Opera GX, you not limit your download speed. You need to just go to GX control here. Then you need to look for a network limiter and make sure that this one is not selected here, right? And that's pretty much it. Now it should download a little bit faster. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.